and I hope to get all of you back to work and business after this webinar. So over this last 30 days, we spoke to a lot of many boutique owners and small fashion businesses, and we found that there is a lot of worry. बहुत लोग बहुत चिंतित हैं ये सोच के कि आगे का बिजनेस कैसा होगा, कस्टमर्स आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे, और बहुत तरह का उनके मन में फेयर और इनसिक्योरिटीज चल रहा है. और ये जेन्युइन है, बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में चल रहा है, नॉट ओनली इन दिस बिजनेस बट लॉट ऑफ अदर बिजनेसेस एज वेल. So this is what is going on in everybody's mind, and that gave me a context to have this webinar so that I can reach a wider audience. हम लोग उनसे बात किए, and I can proudly say that many of them, actually over 193 people, actually got back to business and work. So then I thought of having this webinar and reach out to a bigger audience. Let me explain a few rules and regulations of this webinar. So if you are on your computer screen or a mobile app, on the computer screen or laptop, on the center bottom, you will see chat box, and you will see question and answer, and you will also see a symbol to raise your hand. So during the webinar, if you want to type anything in the chat box, please select in the down panel of the chat box, you will find audience selection, whereby you have to select attendees and panelists. Because if you select only attendees, I will not be able to see your chat. और अगर आप सिर्फ पैनलिस्ट सेलेक्ट करोगे तो जितने भी ऑडियंस इस वेबिनार में हैं वो लोग आपको नहीं देख पाएंगे. तो आप अटेंडीज एंड पैनलिस्ट को सेलेक्ट करना, और अगर आपको उस चैट बॉक्स में कुछ भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन टाइप करना है तो आप टाइप कर सकते हो. आई कैन सी इट एंड आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन आल्सो रेज योर हैंड. Once you raise your hand, I will allow your mic and video to be on, and then you can speak and raise your question. But I recommend webinar के end में हम लोग एक 10 to 15 minutes का question answer session रखेंगे, and वहां पर हम लोग सारे questions को एक साथ ले सकते हैं, so that the flow of the webinar is not disturbed. मोबाइल पर शायद ये टैप करने से चैट बॉक्स और हैंड रेज का बटन आपको विजिबल होगा. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and so we can now start with our formal presentation on how to go about this re-engineering our fashion business in such a difficult time. As I told you that we spoke to a lot of people, lot of boutique owners and small fashion businesses over last 1 month. और जब हमने उनसे बात की तो बहुत सारा फैक्ट सामने आया, और मेजर जो फैक्ट सामने आया वो मैं आपसे स्क्रीन पर शेयर करता हूं. So that was it is a complete lockdown. What do we do? We are worried. What will happen to my business? बिजनेस कैसे चलेगा? मैं अपने बिजनेस के फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट और कैश फ्लोस को कैसे मैनेज करूंगी? ओके, जस्ट बिफोर दैट I would like to, if I am audible to every one of you and all of you can listen to me, can you please type yes in the chat box so that I know that everything is all right and people are able to listen. Thank you. Thank you for acknowledging this. Okay, so a lot of people are actually worried about what we will do now. जब हम अपना स्टूडियो और बुटीक खोलेंगे तो कस्टमर्स आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे, हाउ विल आई ग्रो माय कस्टमर्स, व्हाट प्रोडक्ट शुड आई बी सेलिंग नाउ. सब लोग कोई मास्क बना रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, मैं क्या बेचूंगी. आई एम अ वेडिंग डिजाइनर, हाउ डू पीपल विल नॉट कम एंड बाय वेडिंग स्टफ नाउ. मैं क्या करूं, हाउ डू आई मैनेज माय कैश फ्लोज. कारीगर लोग घर चले गए हैं, वो आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे, रेंटल्स को कैसे मैनेज करेंगे. बहुत वरीज एंड फियर है, बिकॉज इस तरह का क्राइसिस किसी ने भी अपने लाइफ में पहले नहीं देखा है, राइट. So when we spoke to many of them and had a positive interaction with them, most of them came back to action mode. And the result of our conversation was that over 193 boutique owners and small fashion businesses were back to business and action after talking to us. And hence this webinar was conceptualized. उसके बाद मैंने उनसे ये भी पूछा, ओके ये प्रॉब्लम तो आपका डे टू डे अभी कोरोना को लेके है, लॉकडाउन के समय में यू आर हैविंग फियर, इनसिक्योरिटीज एंड सो मेनी अदर नेगेटिविटी इन योर माइंड, बट आप मेरे को ये बताएं कि जब आपका बिजनेस नॉर्मल होता है उस समय आपके माइंड में या कौन सा प्रॉब्लम्स और चैलेंजेस हैं जो आप एवरीडे फेस करते हो अपने बिजनेस में व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल. And even in that scenario, lot of interesting facts came. बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें सामने आई और I would like to present those things to you one by one. So we realized that most of the boutique owners and fashion designers are losing at least 30% of their business every day because they struggle to concentrate on creativity and client meetings. Most of the time when they are at home, they are thinking about boutique, and when they are at the studio, they are thinking about home. When they come to the studio, they get stuck in lot of small activities and things which disrupts their activity. In fact, client meeting में भी हमने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व किया कि क्लाइंट के साथ जो मीटिंग उनका आधे घंटे में हो सकता है, उस मीटिंग में उनको कम से कम 1-1.5 घंटा लग रहा है, बिकॉज इन द क्लाइंट मीटिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द बिजनेस वो लोग और भी बहुत सारी बातें कर रही हैं, which makes their relationship with client very informal and which creates trouble in the business. Because आगे हम client के साथ इतने close हो जाते हैं कि हम उनसे payment भी नहीं मांग पाते हैं और बहुत सारी problems आती हैं. लेकिन most importantly यहाँ पर ये जानने की जरूरत है कि client के पास time है, but आपका time बहुत कीमती है. आप आधे घंटे की मीटिंग को 1.5 hours में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to start respecting your time. Second thing that we found is that they are not present online. लोग उनको ऑनलाइन सर्च कर रहे हैं बट उनको फाइंड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. They are not listed on Google, they don't have a website, और उनका फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट्स भी प्रॉपरली सेटअप नहीं है, उनके अकाउंट सेटिंग्स प्रॉपर नहीं है, उनके बिजनेस पेजेस नहीं बने हुए हैं. मे बी बहुत लोगों का फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम उनके पर्सनल अकाउंट से चल रहा है, उस पर रेगुलर कोई एंगेजमेंट नहीं है, तो लोग उनको ऑनलाइन खोज रहे हैं और लेकिन ढूंढ नहीं पा रहे हैं. आज के दुनिया में हम लोग हर कुछ ऑनलाइन ही सर्च करते हैं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी प्रेजेंट ऑनलाइन. देन वी फाउंड दैट ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम उनका व्हाट्सएप पे होता है, लेकिन उनके पास ऐसा कोई ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम नहीं है कि एट ए क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन वो अपना सारा क्लाइंट कम्युनिकेशंस व्हाट्सएप पे कर सकें, सारे क्लाइंट को स्टूडियो कम्युनिकेशंस भेज सकें, सारे क्लाइंट्स को अपने नए कलेक्शन का अपडेट्स भेज सकें, सारे क्लाइंट्स को पेमेंट रिमाइंडर्स भेज सकें, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग दैट दे डोंट वांट टू डू. वी फाउंड कि बुटीक ओनर्स अपने रिटेल क्लाइंट को क्रेडिट पे माल दे रही हैं, 2 महीने, 3 महीने, 4 महीने। इनफैक्ट हमें ये भी पता चला कुछ लोग तो अपने क्लाइंट के घर में जो पिछला फंक्शन था, जो कि 1 साल पहले था, उस समय जो कपड़ा बना था उसका पेमेंट आज एक नया फंक्शन आ गया है, वहां तक नहीं हुआ और उनका दोबारा कपड़ा बन रहा है। So such is the state of affair, and they don't want to remind their clients for the payments, and they are openly selling on credit. आप किसी रिटेल शॉप में मार्केट में जाते हो, do you buy on credit? No, you cannot. So this was a very interesting fact which came out. So you don't have any system through which you can automate all of these. You don't want to call for the payment, but a WhatsApp can remind them that they have to pay the money. Okay. So we found out that they don't have any unique proposition to differentiate themselves from other boutiques. उनके पास कोई ऐसा यूनिक प्रपोजिशन नहीं है अपने क्लाइंट को ऑफर करने के लिए कि जो कि उनको औरों से भिन्न बना दे। जैसा कि दे समथिंग लाइक ऑफरिंग योर क्लाइंट्स कस्टमाइज्ड प्रिंट डिजाइंस। आजकल पिंटरेस्ट और इंस्टाग्राम का इमेजेस लोग लेके आते हैं और मेरे को तो ये गारमेंट बनाना है, एंड इफ इट इज अ प्रिंट डिजाइन, देयर इज नो वन इन द मार्केट जो कि उसको डिजाइन करके आपके रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी 5, 6, 7 मीटर्स आपको प्रिंट करके दे, राइट? तो दिस इज अ चैलेंज दैट वी फाउंड आउट। उसके बाद वी फाउंड दैट इस द होल कम्युनिटी डू नॉट हैव एनी एक्सेस टू ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स। उनको कोई प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स का एक्सेस नहीं है जो कि उनको ट्रेनिंग दे कि हाउ दे कैन ग्रो देयर बिजनेस। They do not have access to latest color forecast, latest fashion trends, जिसको वो चेक कर सकें और उस बेसिस पर अपना कलेक्शन डिजाइन कर सकें। They generally found it very, very difficult to put up a solo exhibition of their own because बहुत expensive होता है। एंड जो फैब्रिक सप्लायर्स जिनके साथ वो काम करते हैं वो अपना स्वॉच बुक्स भी उनके पास नहीं छोड़ते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन टेक ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम देयर क्लाइंट, बिकॉज द फैब्रिक वेंडर्स फील दैट इनकी क्वांटिटीज बहुत कम है। तो ये सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें सामने आई, और इस दोनों चीज को, जो करंट सिनेरियो में जो सोच है और जो जनरल सोच है, जो डे टू डे एवरीडे प्रॉब्लम्स एंड चैलेंजेस हैं उनके, जब एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल, इन दोनों चीजों को मिक्स करके एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज सामने आया कि दे आर फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज। मेनी अ टाइम्स दे डू नॉट हैव अ प्रॉपर सपोर्ट ऑल्सो। Okay, someone has just told me that they don't understand Hindi. Please keep it in English. Okay. I will try to use both the language because there could be many people who do not understand Hindi also. So English also. Okay. So these are the interesting facts which came to us. Now, I want to discuss with you all, what does the future look like from here on in this lockdown and post lockdown? See, life after lockdown is going to be more difficult than life during the lockdown. So एक चीज तो ये होगा कि there will be a direct impact on our businesses for next 3 to 6 months, and if this corona lifestyle continues, तो ये impact बड़ा भी हो सकता है. This impact could be longer. लोगों का consumers preferences, their buying behavior and their spending patterns will change. लोग जिस तरीके से आज बाय कर रहे हैं, जितना स्पेंड करते हैं, वो सब कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा. वी नेवर न्यू आवर किड्स विल बी डूइंग होम स्कूलिंग, और हम अपना घर को मैनेज करेंगे विदाउट डोमेस्टिक हेल्प. And we never thought our husbands will have all the time for us at home for so many days, 50, 60, 70 days. So, a lot of new normals are actually getting created in life. And these new normals will have a positive impact, lot of positive impact on our life. We just have to identify such opportunities, because there is an opportunity in every crisis. Okay. So I think the weddings will get trimmed, people will start to travel less, and outings will be much lesser. Consumers will move towards cheaper options of garments. They would not really be ordering a lot of expensive garments to boutique owners and designers and all those people. They will they will visit much less to the marketplace and to the malls where they usually go to shop. एक चीज जो बहुत मेजरली होने वाला है वो ये है, even in the smallest business, if I say that a small fashion business or a boutique owner has one of the smallest businesses of all kinds, then even in such businesses, technology, online business and social media is going to play a very big role. आज बहुत लोग हम लोग conversant हैं, and we are doing our bit of business digitally or online, but most of this community is not very well versed with online business, social media and technology, and how they can affect. This is the time to think about that. This is the time to, it's very simple, and once you get into it, it is as simple as the fact that how you got used to Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp. Before WhatsApp, you never knew how to chat. It's just that we have to get into it, and this is going to be very, very important. बहुत लोग नए प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज के साथ आएंगे, आने भी लगे हैं. You also have to think what product and services you are going to be offering to your client. If so far all of you agree with what I have said so far, and if all of you feel that you are facing similar problems which we have found out and shared with you in this presentation, please type yes in the chat box so that I know that what I'm sharing is making a lot of sense to all of you. Let me tell you one thing. I'm not a professional speaker. The only context with which I have organized this webinar is to add value to you at this critical time so that you can get back to work. That's the only context. So I'm not a professional speaker. So, and it's a part of my and my company's FAB's mission to transform the lives of boutique owners and small fashion businesses. That is why I came with this interesting topic, and I'm doing my bit to bring about a change in your life. And I'm sure I will be successful in that. If all of you feel so, do acknowledge. So this is how the future is kind of, going to be looking like. I can see a lot of yes, and that means people share with and relate with what I'm sharing with them. So this brings in a very interesting context that we are having a relevant discussion. And so that's interesting to know so many people saying yes, yes, yes. Very interesting. Okay. So now I want to tell you, I want to throw light on what are the things that we can do right now in light of, now before that, I'm going to discuss with you, what do you think is required of you now? What should you be doing now? Abhi kya karna hoga? So the first thing that is required is to have a lot of hope and positivity. See, let me tell you one thing. This business will never die because it relates to the personality of a woman. and it relates to the ambition of a woman of how he or she how she wants to look like. This business may get impacted for some time, but this will never die. This will remain as one of the top spending areas of a woman's life. She may cut down her expense on jewelries. She may cut down on her expense on bags and accessories, but she will never cut down on her expense on clothing. We may be impacted for a short term, but not a long term thing. What is required of you now? So I want all of you to stay very, very positive. That is the first request. And you have to be really be ready to learn new way of doing business. I'm going to be sharing a lot of things with all of you. आप लोगों को बिल्कुल रेडी रहना पड़ेगा नए तरीके से काम को करने का. हम लोग एक स्टाइल एक ही पैटर्न में काम किए जा रहे हैं सालों से. हमारा माइंड रस्ट हो चुका है. We need to clean up. And एक बार जब हम रस्ट क्लीन करेंगे तो we can receive new things in life. हमें नए चीजों को सीखने के लिए बिल्कुल तत्पर रहना पड़ेगा. आज हम लोग जिस तरीके से अपना बिजनेस चला रहे हैं उसमें हम लोग रोज दिन का प्लान करते हैं, शायद वो भी नहीं करते हैं, बट हमारी पूरी गाड़ी डेली प्लानिंग पे चल रही है. वी डोंट हैव अ फ्यूचरिस्टिक प्लानिंग फॉर आवर बिजनेस. The time has come now when you have to plan 6 months, 10 months, 1 year in advance, right? You have to get used to it. So I can see some questions. Okay, someone is typing for social media. We have expenses like perfect photo shoot model. How can we manage all that? How effective it will be to get a change in logistics? Okay, I will answer all of these questions. Please hold on to this, and when we go to the question answer session, we can take up each and every question one by one, and lot of it will get eventually answered as I progress in my presentation, right? So like हमें आदत डालनी पड़ेगी अपने बिजनेस को 3 months, 6 months, 1 year प्लान करने, एडवांस में प्लानिंग करने का. What collections are we going to launch next month, or pre-summer or summer or pre-festive? We have to plan everything. If we do not plan, we will not be anywhere. So you can't run your business on a daily planning. So please think and list down all the actions that you have to take on a piece of paper. Write it on a piece of paper, because you have to empty your mind. If you do not write it on a piece of paper, you will forget it. You will not be able to do it later. So you have to write it on a piece of paper. Then we also have to start scheduling our day and act accordingly. I will discuss with you about scheduling in one of my future webinars, because it's a big science. If you want to be effective, you have to schedule your day. And you basically have to be in action mode and positive mode. बहुत positivity चाहिए. We can't be thinking कि मेरे business का क्या होगा. आपके business का जो भी होगा बहुत अच्छा होगा. And it will be much better than many more businesses who will be wiped out during this corona crisis. But we are not such businesses. We will strive, we will survive, and we will break all barriers. Just a matter of time. You have to be positive. So now let us look at what are the things that we can do right now. I will share my perspective on this. And so the first thing that we have to look at it is to identify all areas of cost cutting. आपके जो कारीगर and staff होते हैं, right? Your laborers and skilled laborers and staff, they always live with a lot less money that they want. बहुत कम पैसे में वो अपना जीवन को निर्वाह करते हैं. उनसे बढ़िया कॉस्ट कटिंग का आइडियाज आपको कोई नहीं दे सकता है. टॉक टू देम. think yourself and write down. आप उसको monetize करो कि मैं इस चीज में इतने रुपए का कॉस्ट कम कर सकती हूँ. I can renegotiate my rental. I can reduce my staff cost. Just write down everything. Write it down. I'm giving a lot of emphasis on this. Identify and write down the top 3 challenges of a business. You know, कुछ लोगों का ये challenge हो सकता है that they are not able to consistently plan and focus their energy on creation of new collection. They are not able to get new businesses, new client. उनका बिजनेस उसी पुराने क्लाइंट से चल रहा है, नया क्लाइंट उनके बुटीक में नहीं आ रहा है. किसी का चैलेंज हो सकता है कि लोग तो बहुत ऑनलाइन काम कर रहे हैं, मेरा तो कोई ऑनलाइन बिजनेस नहीं, मैं कैसे करूं, हाउ डू आई डू इट, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू बी प्रेजेंट ऑनलाइन बट आई एम. सो आपके चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं, राइट. बट आइडेंटिफाई टॉप चैलेंजेस. आपके ऑपरेशंस के चैलेंज हो सकते हैं. आप सुबह बुटीक आते हो और एकदम से ऑपरेशंस में लग जाते हो और आप पूरा दिन आपका निकल जाता है फायर फाइटिंग में, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में, और ना आप धंधा कर पाते हो. नीदर यू आर एबल टू डू बिजनेस, nor you are able to grow your client, nor you are able to give time to your collection planning, and you become a businessman. Please understand, you are the creative director of your company, and so the only thing that you need to do in your business is to think creatively, create your collection, and grow your business. Leave the rest to your team. And you know, we can help you a lot in doing all of this, automating all of your business operations so that you don't waste a lot of time in doing that. I will come back to it in my future slides. उसके बाद एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो मैं क्रिएट करना चाहता हूं वो है कोलैबोरेशन का. जब आप अपने बिजनेस में बिल्कुल बिजी होते हो ना, तो आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. ओके, and you are busy with your clients, your home and your business. Right now you are free, and when you open up you will have to struggle. You may have to struggle for clients for next 3, 6 months or 12 months. How can you get clients? How can you get new clients? कोई भी बिजनेस है ना, एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट के ऊपर फ्यूचरिस्टिक नहीं होता है. उसका बेस होता है कि वो हर महीने कितने न्यू क्लाइंट्स ऐड करता है. तो आप कोलैबोरेट करो. मैं आपको 2 एग्जांपल देता हूं. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है, सपोज आप किसी फैब्रिक शोरूम से फैब्रिक परचेज करते हो. आपको पता है जब फैब्रिक शोरूम में बहुत सारे रिटेल क्लाइंट्स आते हैं और वो लोग पूछते हैं उनसे, कोई बुटीक बताएं जहां पर मैं ये गारमेंट स्टिच करा सकूं. यू गेट इनटू एन अलायंस विद दोस फैब्रिक शोरूम और उनको आप बोलो, आपके पास कोई क्लाइंट आता है और बुटीक के बारे में पूछता है तो आप हमें रेफर करो. आपके रेफरेंस से जो क्लाइंट हमारे पास आएगा हम उनको 20%, 10% और whatever, create an offer for them. Let me tell you one more thing. आप बहुत सारी boutiques and designers they don't do stitching, right? So ये जो टाइम है ना, ये टाइम वो टाइम है जब मुझे क्लाइंट के साथ मिलने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. आप मिलो, आप करो स्टिचिंग. You don't want to do it for the rest of your life, right? You want to do it just to attract client. आप क्या करो, आप एक ऑफर निकालो, आप अपने क्लाइंट को मैसेज करो. You know, we have decided to undertake stitching orders only for next 3 months. People who book their slots, book their stitching orders right now during the lockdown will only be entertained. And for that, you can even charge advance payment. Because वो जो क्लाइंट है वो आपसे आपके बुटीक में स्टिचिंग कराने के लिए बहुत दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है. उसको आपके यहाँ आने पर पूरा गारमेंट लेना पड़ता है, तो वो कहीं और जाके स्टिच कराता है. क्रिएट एन ऑफर, सी व्हाट विल हैपन. दे विल कम बैक टू यू. 3 months कर लो, 3 months के बाद come back to what you were doing before. So create an alliance with gymnasiums, with supermarkets, with parlors, you know, with jewelry showrooms, so that you can exchange clients. See, this is not a very novel idea, but nobody executes this. Nobody executes this. So it's time to execute. एक और एग्जांपल आपको कोलैबोरेशन का देता हूँ. आप लोग बहुत सारे किटी पार्टीज में जाते हो, राइट? यू पीपल गो टू किटी पार्टीज एंड यू हैव फन ओवर लंच एंड यू एंजॉय एंड डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, चिट चैट. मैं आपको टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ न्यू कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ अ किटी पार्टी इन योर सिटी. Okay, get hold of 10, 15, 20 boutique owners and organize a kitty party. Okay, and so right now you don't meet them because they are your competitors and things like that. Shed these thinkings. These thinkings thinking will not work. ये सोच नहीं चलेगा. आप उनसे किटी पार्टी पर मिलो and discuss about your day-to-day challenge in your business, how you can grow business. Everyone would be happy to discuss this. एक दूसरे से आप लोग ideas exchange कर सकते हो. Meet them, talk to them about industry, what is happening, what are your problems, what are the so many things that you face in day-to-day life. You don't have to discuss with your confidential secrets with other business owners, but on a general platform. Every industry has associations and platforms and groups like this, where you can discuss. So do that. This would be a better way of having a kitty party than just going to a kitty party to have fun. Here you have fun also and you meet your business objective also. You can join organizations like BNI, and a lot of things are there, and there are a whole lot of strategies which can be given for collaboration, which we also discuss with our clients. I'll discuss that with you in future. अभी टाइम बिल्कुल है आपके पास. आप अपना पूरा कलेक्शन प्लान करो. आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. अभी आप मिड समर में हो. मिड समर, प्री फेस्टिव एंड फेस्टिव, बिफोर दिवाली हिट्स. ये 3 कलेक्शन आप प्लान करो. क्या आप ऑफर करोगे क्लाइंट को, किस प्राइस पॉइंट पे ऑफर करोगे, सोचो. पेन इट डाउन, ड्रॉ कर लो उसको, विजुअलाइज कर लो माइंड में, और 3 कलेक्शन आप लॉन्च करो. अगर वो सारी चीजें प्लान्ड होंगी ना, तो अभी जब आप बुटीक खोलोगे, clients will not come. At least you can start producing those things. Otherwise क्या होगा, आप बुटीक पे जाओगे, client आएगा नहीं, you will be free, and free mind is a negative mind, और आपके दिमाग में चलेगा बिजनेस तो है नहीं, बिजनेस तो है नहीं, बिजनेस तो है नहीं. लेकिन आज अपना कलेक्शन आप प्लान कर ले. तो मैं 3 कलेक्शन की बात कर रहा हूँ. मिड समर, प्री फेस्टिव एंड फेस्टिव. आप जब अपना स्टूडियो खोलोगे, when you will open up your studio, you will be able to keep yourself busy in execution of your collection, right? So just do that. Just do that. Think of ways and means. Can you reach the client doorstep? Client do not want to come because it's Corona, Can you teach your client how to take measurements themselves and send it to you? Can you do video meetings and show them what they can, go for? Can you interact with the client on a video meeting? Can you send your tailor to their place to take the measurement? You think about ways and means to reach the client if they are not able to reach you. And one very important thing, many of you have not even registered your logo and not even registered your domain. Domain means website name. आप अपने इंडिविजुअल नाम से ऑपरेट कर रहे हो. You have a logo but it is not registered. You will never know when you have become big and your logo has been hijacked by someone else and you can't do it. Get your domain registered and get your logo done. If you need any help, contact us. We will guide you how you can go about it. But do that. So these are the things that you can do right now. If you all are in agreement with me, please type I agree in the chat box so that, and if you feel that मैं जो बात कर रहा हूं उससे आप रिलेट कर रहे हो, it is making lot of sense to you, आपको समझ में आ रहा है, आप बहुत कुछ जाके कर सकते हो, तो please type I agree so that I am confident about what I'm sharing with you. Thank you. Thank you. I can see a lot of people saying, I agree. And it's a thumbs up to me and my mission. So I'm really, really thankful to you for this. Okay, so uh, let me take you to the next thing. And here I'm going to talk to you. So I just spoke to you about what are the things that you can do right now. Now I'm going to discuss with you what are the things that you have to do right now. You know, so let's go to the next slide. And okay, so here I want to discuss a few concrete actions which you need to take right now. कुछ ऐसा concrete action जो आपको इस webinar खत्म होने के तुरंत बाद से लग जाना होगा करने के लिए. आपको जो support चाहिए, I am just a phone call away. My team is a phone call away, and you will get all the support. So do not worry. We are there to support you for the next 2 to 3 days, whatever support you want from us. So the first thing that you have to do is, आपको पता है आप लोग please don't mind me saying this, but most of the boutique owners and small fashion businesses have their client database messed up. उनका client database organized नहीं है. उन्होंने अपने लाइफ टाइम में कितने क्लाइंट से वो लोग मिले हैं, कितनों के साथ काम किए हैं, लेकिन उनका डेटाबेस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड नहीं है. When I say database, I mean just 3 information: name, mobile number, and email ID. So the first thing that you will do is you will organize a client database, your client database. मैं आपको एक फ्री टूल दूंगा इस वेबिनार के बाद जिससे आप उसको ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो. और बहुत सिंपल टूल है. ऑल यू नीड टू हैव इज अ जीमेल अकाउंट, और जिनके पास जीमेल अकाउंट नहीं है वो प्लीज एक जीमेल अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं. बट यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज योर क्लाइंट डेटाबेस इफ यू वांट टू really grow. This is the foundation. The second thing that you can do is, many of us are not capturing our client feedback. I will also give you a tool for this, a very simple tool. You have to know your strength, not from your perspective, but what your client thinks of you. आपको आपका स्ट्रेंथ आपके क्लाइंट के आईज में क्या है वो जानना ज्यादा जरूरी है, न कि ये जानना ज्यादा जरूरी है कि मैं क्या सोचती हूँ कि मेरा स्ट्रेंथ क्या है. So think, so for that, I will share a feedback form with you all, and I will give you a tool how to capture such feedbacks, and you are going to do that. This is the second most important thing that you need to do. Many of you have Instagram and Facebook account. You got to optimize it, optimize their account settings. Now the challenge will come, we don't know how to do it. I will come back to it. We can also help you in some way, and you can also explore other options. Now जिनके पास नहीं है उनको तो अपना Instagram और Facebook अकाउंट खोलना ही पड़ेगा, और खुद का नहीं, अपने बिजनेस का पेज. You have to create a page for your business. People, you may not be able to create a website right now, right? But just do that. This you can do right now. Fourth is, आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को रिक्वेस्ट करो आपको वीडियो टेस्टिमोनियल्स भेजने के लिए. Send them. They are also sitting idle. Talk to them. Shoot a 30 seconds video and send it to us as to what you think about us. All these years that we have been serving you, what do you think about us, about our collection, about our services? पूछो उनसे कैसा लगता है उनको. उसके बाद आप लोग सब लोग कोई 5 years से, कोई 10 years से, कोई 20 years से इस बिजनेस में हैं, and all of you have a very interesting story to tell, but किसी का भी story in place नहीं है. Get your stories in place. How you started, how you have reached where you have reached today. आपको अपने बिजनेस का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर खुद बनना पड़ेगा. That is what is important. तो तो आप अपना स्टोरीज लिखना चालू करो. Start penning it down, how important instances of your professional business career, and अपने आप वो एक स्टोरी में वीव हो जाएगा. Then you can shoot a video around it and do a lot of things. आप ये मत सोचो कि वीडियो शूट करना बहुत चैलेंजिंग है, ये है, मैं कैसे करूंगी प्रोफेशनल फोटो शूट. कुछ नहीं चाहिए. All of you can do yourself with your mobile. You don't need a photographer, you don't need anything. I will tell you how to do it. The other thing that you need to act on is immediately stop selling on credit. आपको पता है जितना पैसा आपका मार्केट में आउटस्टैंडिंग है, the money that which is lying in the market, let me tell you that money is your profit. That money is sheer profit. Okay, I can see a feedback. Share your contact number. I will be sharing my contact number with all of you at the end of the presentation. And someone is writing that I've been trying to, Karishma Garg, she's writing, I'm trying to write a story since long, but not able to. Please throw some more light into it. Okay. So, briefly, you have to go into visualization mode. Like how when you do a meditation, right? You visualize how you started. The dots will automatically start to connect. Aap karo pehle. I will tell you how to do it, but you do it. You will be able to do it yourself. तो आप क्रेडिट पे सेल करना बंद कर दो. जो पैसा मार्केट में है, the money that is lying outstanding in the market is a profit. You are meeting your cost on a day-to-day basis. In fact, whatever money it is in the market, create an interesting offer for the client that if you settle in the next 1 week, I am ready to give you this much discount, but you pay me the whole amount, because wo jo money aayega na, that will be straight away your profit. You will be sitting on it. So get your money, collect your money from the market. आप ये सोचना छोड़ दो कि अगर if I don't sell them on credit, they will not give order to me. नहीं, nobody does it. आप गलत कर रहे हो, आप गलत आदत लगा रहे हो लोगों को. और क्या फायदा कमाने से जब वो पैसा मार्केट में पड़ा हुआ है? तो there is no point. Think of new offers, what you can create. There is a whole lot of offers that you can create, but do you think? So these are the actions that I need you to take right now. Okay, I'm getting some chat. Okay, what's time now? Okay, so now let me discuss with you sales, new ideas, and the road ahead. Now, I want to give you something very interesting as to how you can grow your sales once you open up. So there is a lot of way you can actually do it. I will share some ideas with you. So now, according to a fashion survey, what is going to be very popular in the fashion segment is set of masks and scarves. It's a global survey, and it's people will wear masks and people would like to wear scarves also, because scarves protects them from their neck to head. So you can get into this. A lot of Zoom meetings is happening in the corporate world. People have started to work from home. और ये कोरोना जाने के बाद भी है ना, ये लाइफस्टाइल बन जाएगा लोगों का. और लोग घर से काम, आप देखोगे 25% of the force will start working from home. There is a very big paradigm shift that is going to happen. You are going to see much lesser traffic on road, even if everything normalizes. So people are going to be very conscious about how they dress above the desk or the keyboard. So you can create a poncho or something like that, people just wear it over what they're wearing and it gives them a different look. So when they are in front of the screen, this is just an idea. एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कोरोना के बाद लोग मार्केट नहीं जाएंगे, मॉल्स नहीं जाएंगे. most of the studios and boutique owners premises and fashion studios are located in off marketplace. मार्केट से हटके है, रेसिडेंस में है या फिर रेसिडेंशियल लोकेलिटीज में है. आप अपने क्लाइंट को के साथ ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्रिएट करो कि आपका प्रीमाइसेस सेफेस्ट है इस समय विजिट करने के लिए. Is safer than going to Fab India or any high street brand or Zara or anywhere. Come visit me. This is the safest place. You know आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप अपने जगह को कैसे मैंने आपको बताया था एक्शन लेना आपको. You know what is the action? Write down your challenge. Write down action that you will take now. One of the action that you can take right now is to write down, once you open up, what will be the protocol of disinfecting your premises. आप क्या प्रैक्टिसेस फॉलो करोगे, आप उसको लिखो. लिख के आप उसका एक वीडियो शूट कर सकते हो अपने मोबाइल से और अपने क्लाइंट्स को बता सकते हो, दिस इज हाउ वी डिसइंफेक्ट आवर प्रीमाइसेस एंड वी आर सेफ. गिव देम अ सर्टिफिकेशन, सेल्फ सर्टिफिकेशन दैट वी आर द सेफेस्ट. प्रैक्टिस इट एंड यू विल सी मैजिकल रिजल्ट. तो क्रिएट दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट. So you have to offer them cheaper prices, you have to offer them best price, and you have, you know something, over a period of time you have interacted with so many clients and आप लोगों ने बहुत लोगों से मिला है, एग्जीबिशन से कार्ड्स कलेक्ट किए हैं, बट सब कुछ या जो आपके पहले क्लाइंट थे वो आज नहीं है, वो सारा चीज लॉस्ट है. आप उनसे रिकनेक्ट करो, अपने डेटाबेस को ऑर्गेनाइज करो, रिकनेक्ट करो. दे वुड लव टू हियर फ्रॉम यू. ऑल यू नीड टू पिक अप अ फोन एंड टॉक टू देम और कनेक्ट विद देम ऑन व्हाट्सएप, व्हाटएवर वे, यू नो. सो यू हैव अ होल डेटाबेस ऑफ लॉस्ट क्लाइंट and people whom we have met in the past and who can become now your client. Start marketing to them. So if you are in sync with what I'm telling you, and if you think a lot of these new selling ideas are implementable, please type I'm excited in the chat box so that I know that you will go out and implement these things, and it will give me a lot of encouragement. I'm overwhelmed to hear your response and see your response. The only thing that I wanted to do today is to energize you all, get you all into the action mode, and I think you are acknowledging it. It's a matter of great pride for me. So let me now introduce my company Fab briefly. So Fab offers the largest collection of fashion fabrics and textiles from India, with more than 10,000 designs selling across 47 cities in India, 17 countries spread across 3 continents globally, to more than 3,000 plus clients, which include fashion designers, boutiques, and small fashion businesses, brands, exporters, garment manufacturers, and premium fabric stores. We bring out new designs, weaves, and textures almost every fortnight to give maximum variety and uniqueness to our collection of fabrics and textiles. So this is what Fab does. And now I will talk to you about the mission of Fab. The mission of Fab is to re-engineer every small fashion business and boutique owner, help them grow their business and profits, automate their operations, and unite them on a single platform. You know, इनका कोई small fashion business and boutique owners का कोई platform नहीं है. They don't have any support, neither from their husbands, from their home family members, nor from their from government, nor there is any association. कोई association नहीं है, कोई government support नहीं है, कोई family support नहीं है. They struggle day in and day out between their business and their family. So we want to create a platform where we unite them and solve a lot of their problems, which will help them grow. This is the mission of my company, and I am committed to it. We all, at the entire team of Fab, is committed to it. You see, we you know, boutique owners and small fashion business, we value a lot to this community in at Fab, and we mean every word of it. So with this mission in mind, we have launched a program called Unite to achieve this mission. Here we are offering 4 services, 2 plans, and 3 options. So let me tell you something about Unite. Unite is a program through which, over a period of time, we hope to really re-engineer your business. Streamline your operations so that you can concentrate, just do focus 2 days a week on your operations, and you can spend 4 days only on growing your clients meetings and having a focused time on building your new collection. That is the key objective of this plan, this program. So, and this is going to be the program through which we will deliver everything that comes our way. And this program is going to be to get a lot of new offerings day by day, day by day, day by day. So this is the program. What we offer is, we offer 4 kinds of services. The first one is productivity services. Here we are going to offer you 11 free automated sheets. At a click of a button, you will be able to mark your attendance for the laborers and the staff, salary calculations. You can manage your petty cash. Your runner is always out in the market with some money, and you don't have time to take hisab and all those things. You will be able to get your database organized. You will be able to do a lot of your business operations automated through this sheets that we will give you under this program. We are also going to give you 5 free tools which will develop your productivity. And this is going to come to you through a webinar where we are going to discuss 5 guaranteed tools which will double your productivity and bring a lot of peace to your life. Next, we are offering design and product services. So now, you struggle to get your print designs made, right? As we discussed and saw in the past. We are going to offer 3 designs per month. Every month, you can get 3 designs developed from us. We will print a sample to you, send it to your premises, and you can then get any quantity printed, 5 meters, 10 meters, no restrictions. So you can actually offer the service of custom printing to your client. Generally, we charge 3,000 for custom design development and sample printing. So 36 designs is almost ₹1 lakh. You are going to get the complete set of our swatch books, which will have 4 booklets and about 15 to 20 color cards, which will have over 250 dyeable fabrics, which you can place order over the phone after showing it to your clients. You are going to get free unlimited access of our digital database of samples, which you can show it to your clients and book orders in unstitched sets, digital prints, fabric, embroidered fabric, saris, stoles, dupattas, a lot of handloom and artisans fabric that we do at Fab. Our experts will visit many cities across India and meet you, and you will get a dedicated CRM desk at our office, customer relationship manager. You will get a priority dispatch from our office. You will also get a special discount, which we will create only for you, at least 2 to 3 times in a year on your birthdays or anniversaries, but they will be very special. And you will also get to preview the entire collection of Fab before it hits the market. Then we are offering social media and digital services. Under this, we are going to offer you a free audit of your Instagram and Facebook accounts. We will optimize the account settings, create pages for you, train you in doing that, and by our tech experts. We are also going to list your business professionally on Google, because people today are searching maximum on Google today. And most of us do not have a professional Google listing of our business. We are also going to give you an automated WhatsApp engine through which, at a click of a button, you can send payment reminders to thousands of customers. At a click of a button, you can send studio communications or greetings, or send your new collection updates to many clients. So this is what you will be able to do it. Okay. I've received some chats, so just let me go through it. Okay, I will address it immediately because we are about to finish. Okay, I will come back and respond to all the chats shortly. And and then we are offering you event and training services. Under this service, you are going to, we have got 2 stores in Ahmedabad and Lajpat Nagar. You can come and organize an event at our store, a solo exhibition. We are going to invite our 3,000, 4,000 retail clients who will come for your show. We will send invites to all of them. We'll promote your event on our digital platform. You can do that twice a year, once at both the store. You are also going to get free access to 4 webinars that we are going to conduct for you and add a lot of value, give you a lot of tools how you can organize your business. And we will also keep sending you complimentary invites of fashion events as and when it comes to us. So all of it culminates to about a value of about 3,15,000 rupees. And so now let's go to the pricing plan of Unite. As I told you that we are offering 3 options like monthly, quarterly, and yearly. If you go for a standard plan, monthly is 3,499 a month. Premium plan, monthly 7,499 a month. In the quarterly plan, you will have to pay 6,999 for 3 months and 14,999 for 3 months in the premium plan. And for the yearly, you are going to pay 17,999 for 1 year in the standard plan and 39,999 for 1 year in the premium plan. There is a mega lockdown offer going on till the lockdown, till 17th. If it gets extended, then till the extended period of lockdown, you can buy 1 year plan at 12,999 standard and 24,999 for the premium. You will get all services in premium, which is just about 2,000 rupees a month. And there is one interesting offer till tomorrow, end of the day. If you sign up with Fab Unite, you are going to pay 24,999. Plus, you are going to get a 5,000 rupees gift voucher from Fab to buy fabrics at wholesale prices. So your effective price is 19,999. Unite is a very, very strong program through which we plan to achieve our mission of transforming the lives of boutique owners and small fashion businesses. We are going to add many more services to it without increasing the price. And lot of surprises will come to you throughout this year. And I can commit myself and I assure you that we are going to create more than 100% value. We are going to create 10x value for what we will give to Unite members. And I hope this presentation has been useful for you, and it has put you in some sort of a thinking mode as to what you can do right now. Okay. I'm now stopping my screen sharing. So if you all want to contact us for enrollment, we are going to send on your WhatsApp about enrollment procedure to Unite program. My team and myself, I'm available on phone for any kind of discussion that you want to have, clarification that you want to have with me on 101. I will share my number with you also. And my invitation to all of you is to go and sign up this program. And I can assure you that you are going to immensely benefit out of it. We will give you everything that you would never have imagined of. Okay, now let me go to the chat box. A lot of questions have come. Someone is writing, we buy at almost retail prices from the market. What prices will Fab offer to us? At Fab, whether you buy 1 meter or 100 meters, we offer you a wholesale price because we know that you are a trade buyer. You will always get a wholesale price at Fab stores. Can we get a repeat of what we bought from you? We generally do not get it in the market. Yes, 70% of our items are available on repeat basis. If we put up an exhibition at your showroom, will there be any cost? And how will you promote? We are going to promote your event on our digital media, social media platforms. We are going to send personalized invites to more than 3,000 people who are our clients, and there'll be very nominal cost, probably cost of just organizing logistics. Then how will Fab help us? Okay, just a moment. Can we order fabrics online? Yes, you can order fabrics online. You have www.fab.com. And how will Fab help us through Unite to grow your business? Okay, I think I've already discussed this in my presentation to you. Okay. We don't know much about computers. Who will implement all these sheets for us? Our tech team will implement all of these for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. How it is possible to design coming the festive season till we have the fabric accessibility, and if tailors are not in the position to start working. Okay, so the first thing is you have to plan your collection on the piece of paper. And I'm telling you, if your mind attracts tailors, you will get tailors. And if your mind says that my tailor will go home, you will not get tailors. So be positive, you will get, everybody needs to work. So you plan your collection, that is what is most important. Let's not get into execution. Execution will happen automatically. You can register your logo through intellectual property rights website, and it's very simple process, and we can help you in doing that. We can refer to you people who can do this for you. Okay, let me write my number. My number is 99100 Praveen Mittal. I am Praveen Mittal, 99100 my team, Kirti, Dipanita. You can write their numbers, 9910884716 and 9650700711. I am going to send all of these information to you on the WhatsApp that we are going to send you immediately after the webinar ends. Does anyone has any? Okay, I have got 2 questions in the question answer. How will we contact new clients or converts client when they don't need new garments right now? You said about she not be. What do you think about he? I only have men's and boys. Yes. So even for the men's wear, it is as much applicable as it is for a women wear. So as long as you are you have a customized fashion business or a small fashion business, I think it is very much applicable to you also. So, and so you have lot of ways and means to attract new clients. You can create lot of interesting offers. I have given you a lot of insights into how you can go about doing it. If someone has any specific thing that they want to ask, you can connect with personally on this to me. And I think once you go with my this video will be available on YouTube if you want to revisit and refer others to watch this, so that there can be difference in their lives also. So you will discover a lot of ways to do that. There is a lot of way. I told you, if you organize your database, see, you are right now telling all this because you have not even spoken to your clients, many of your clients or all of your clients. Start speaking to them. There are many people who are waiting to get newly dressed, get their new dress. So you will have to shift the context. You know, so many opportunities will come. I told you, you can create mask and scarf sets. I told you, you can apply your thinking to dressing above the keyboard. So a lot of things can be done. I hope I'm able to answer to all of you. Sir, I'm a beginner in fashion industry. How can I start now? I don't have any running business. When are you planning your next session? We have so far not planned our next session, but we have your database, and whenever I plan my next session, I will surely invite you all. As a beginner, start working on your collection right now. Start putting your business plan in writing right now. And once things open up, you will find a lot of cheaper resources, which otherwise you would have paid much more to acquire. So keep an eye on that. Yes, Unite can be used for menswear, men's boutiques and women boutique both. I am again telling you, this is going to be a very unique, ultimate value creation program. And we are committed to give you 10x value of what you are going to pay us. And this is going, this all the money will go towards achievement of our mission to transform the lives of boutique owners and small fashion businesses, not only in India. Same kind of challenges are happening globally also. We work with over 1,000 fashion designers in Middle East and United Kingdom, and we know what their problems are. They are in the same boat as you are. So we promise to deliver uh, very beyond your expectation with this program. Our YouTube link will be shared to you on your WhatsApp. So, okay, I just, at last, I want all of you, if this webinar if you have benefited from this webinar and if it has created some value into your lives, please acknowledge it by saying, uh, by saying yes, yes. We are going to share with you the complete detailed brochure of Unite also with you all right now after the webinar, and whereby you will have the link also to make the payment. So if you wish to enroll, you can do so. I'm again telling you, I'm available for all of you. You can contact me over the phone. And if you want to discuss something and something that you have not been able to discuss on this webinar, I will be happy to share my solutions with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I can see a lot of comments. Okay. Okay, with this note, I end this webinar, and a big thank you to all of you for attending this webinar. Thank you.